Are you uploading videos but still getting very low views? Do you want your YouTube videos to go viral but don't know how? Have you ever wondered why some small channels get thousands of views? Are you making good videos but YouTube is not recommending them? What if I tell you one small mistake is killing your YouTube views? Do you want to know the exact YouTube strategy that increases views fast? What if you could double your views without paid ads? Do you want real tips that actually work in 2026? Are you a beginner YouTuber struggling to grow? Do you feel demotivated when your video gets only 20-50 views? Are you uploading videos on YouTube but still not getting views? Do you want your videos to reach more people without paid promotion? Then watch this video till the end, because today I'll show you real and simple ways to increase YouTube views. To increase views on your YouTube videos, you need a mix of smart content, strong presentation, and consistency. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide that really works. 1. Make content people want to watch. Choose trending topics in your niche. Study tips, vlogs, dialogues, speeches, etc. Solve a problem or give value: education, motivation, entertainment. Keep videos clear, energetic, and focused. Example is My Study Vlog. How I study 6 hours daily without stress. Vertical bar study vlog. 2. Attractive thumbnail, very important. Use bright colors. Add 3-5 bold words. Show facial expressions: surprise, smile, thinking. Keep 16:9 ratio. You already prefer this. Thumbnails alone can increase views by 50% plus. 3. Perfect title, description, and tags. Title. Use keywords. Create curiosity. Description. First lines must be strong. These show in search. Explain what the video is about. Add keywords naturally. Tags. Use your main keyword. Similar video keywords. Channel name. 4. First 10 seconds decide everything. Start with a hook. Ask a question. Show result first. Say something exciting. Example. Most students waste 3 hours daily without knowing it. Today, I'll show you how to fix that. 5. Be consistent. Upload to 3 times per week. Same day and time. YouTube loves regular creators. 6. Use YouTube Shorts, very powerful. Convert long videos into 15-30-sec shorts. Add text on screen. Use trending music. Shorts bring fast views plus new subscribers. 7. Engage with viewers. Ask questions in video. Comment yes if you agree. Reply to every comment. Pin a comment. Engagement = more views. 8. Share smartly. WhatsApp status. Instagram Reels. Facebook groups. Study or interest-related communities. 9. From analytics. Check. Click-through rate, see tier, thumbnail and title. Watch time, video quality. Audience retention, improve boring parts. And today video is over. Before leaving, like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. See you in the next video, inshallah. Bye.